I could spend the night writing to you.
I cannot wait to possess you.
I think I am for the tomb. Give my compliments to Varin. It is only his wife who gives me your news.
The letters are not structured in paragraphs, there's no punctuation, and it reminded me of, SMS language. Many of these correspondents talked about their daily lives, paying the rent, talking about inflation and the cost of the food. When I read some of these letters, that was pretty sad actually. You don't even know whether they ever managed to be reunited.